Whoa! In a land of ice where the cold winds sing, lived a tiny penguin with a happy wing, waddling softly on snow so white.
La la, what a happy day!
Shining eyes
In the
full of
snow, I
pure
love to play.
delight.
Yay!
Slide, slide, bobbing on the icy floor, laughing and playing, wanting more. Snowflakes dance from the quiet sky as gentle clouds were passing by. Hello world, the penguin said, shaking snow from his little head. I may be small, but my heart is bright, filled with joy from morning to light. He met the snow and he met the breeze. He talked to the ice and the frozen seas. Be my friend, he said one day, to a snowy spark along the way.
La la, what a happy
Till
day!
sunset painted the
In the
sky,
snow, I
pink
love
and orange drifting by. As night came slow with a starry gleam, the penguin whispered a sleepy dream. Friends may change, but love stays near, in every smile, in every tear. Wrapped in snow, calm and warm inside, the little penguin closed his eyes. So if you feel small or lonely too,